I got a light on. It makes me look nice, right? Well, what if I take the light and do one of these? Oh man, I couldn't see it. Does the light bother you when it gets into your eyes? Can we do painting? What can we do with the light? Let me reopen it up again. Shouldn't be that hard to reopen it up and make it a little stand like so, and light me up, right? I'm looking at my DJI Osmo Action 5 and Action 4. Thank you, Action 4, for having an LED light, letting me know I could turn it on or be in stealth mode, front and or back. No longer need to have that feature on the Action 5 anymore. It's just a red icon, upper left in the front of the screen. Which one do you like? I know which one I like. I switched over to Super Night. You ever watch that movie, Superstar? Do I need to have a light on? Which one does good? Oh yeah, let me repeat the same thing again. I caught it this time. You try throwing a light up in the air and having it reflect on you. Man, how come it makes so hard just to open this up? Must be missing something. It's a nice light. I showed you this before. And I could really make myself bright. There you go. Now I look good. Do I need to have Super Night on? Does it take the blackness in the background away? Did you miss that flash? I think it's lightning out there. It sure is. Time to shut the light off. It's time to switch over to modes and get on out of here and go enjoy the rest of my ride. I'm going to show you over there some lightning. Enjoy. Let me get out of the picture. Enjoy. I love the look of the Action 4 and the camera. It looks so natural in the front of the screen. The colors, definitely different. But man, let me tell you, when I look at the back of the Osmo Action 5, I got a bigger view. Nicely lit up.